Hello, my name is Alberto Serban, and I'm going to show you my weather app. The reason I chose weather app is because recently climate has become more and more unpredictable. And this has influenced me to choose weather as the theme of my Malia. I am testing it on an Android emulator on Pixel 6a and ideally Rider. The reason you might want to look at a weather app is to plan your day better. For example, if it's raining, bring a coat, or maybe plan trips. Here is my main page. Um, it's in a vertical stack layout, PNG, and then labels, and then two buttons, search and save data. We'll come back to save data later. This is bound to the search view model, and then it just goes to search. I did this at first just to experiment to see how I link up the view models back in and see how it works with together. And then I'll type in any location you want. I already have London in, just go to London. Here, X name, this is where you enter your city, and then this is bound in the back here, your city, and then this gets sent to display. It gets sent here to display along with the city name, and here is error occurs. And then this is my main weather app. This is how it's set up. Is the city name, then it's got the temperature degrees, description, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover. All inside a vertical stack layout, labels, grids. I use grids so I can change X and Y. It's more like more right. And then all of these frames here. Later I changed emulator because my old one didn't work. Now they said it's outdated. I can change this to board later if I choose. It's gonna be like my next step to rework it. So more modern UI. Then you can view extra information, say whether this is when it's displayed on screen. The text override. So I can access API here, fetch the API. And this is to push my current instance of my view model to extra information. Otherwise, I don't want like a new instance with I have different data on here and the extra information. What the temperature feels like, minimum and maximum temperature expected, pressure and sea level. The same layout as the other one. And then we go back, save weather. It assigns unique IDs and it shows you the city temperature and description. You could add more. And here is, I created a view model for it here. And structure. This is keys I assigned to it, to the database, primary keys and order. And my display view model. This is how I navigate this in the show, and every time I add a show content, it appears in here, so I can easily navigate. Let's search a different instance. Now here we have Paris, and then we can save this as well. And then so we can add, we can view, and then we can also delete. We do not want these anymore. And let's look at our display view model. This is when we pass the city, and then this is what we expect, and we assign it this value. And observable property, I use that for all the parameters I choose to use. They're all here. This is overnight city evented. We can